Hey everyone, this is ZRT. We are a national high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. We have comprehensive R&D capabilities throughout the entire process and can provide customers with one-stop solutions. Deeply understand customer needs, determine the basic functions and usage environment of the product, such as high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, high earthquake resistance, or specific interface and size requirements, etc. Then design the solution based on the results of the demand analysis. After the design is completed, the proofing stage begins, and samples are made according to the design drawings. Then, signal tests, environmental tests, and hot and cold shock tests are carried out in sequence to comprehensively test the reliability and stability of the product, and repeatedly verify the feasibility of the design to ensure product quality. ZRT can also conduct special tests according to customer needs. There are 3 new Panasonic NPMD3 high-speed production lines with a daily SMT production capacity of 9 million points. 2 dip production lines and 1 complete machine assembly line are integrated with the ERP Enterprise Resource Planning Management System, Manufacturing Execution System, WMS Smart Warehousing Logistics System, and OA Automatic Office System. They are operated strictly in accordance with ISO 9001, ISO 13485, GJB 9001 C quality inspection standards. So the products are guaranteed and the problem-solving efficiency is fast. Long life cycle supply capability, timely delivery, and stable supply time can meet the long-term use needs of industrial equipment. If you have any needs for AI computing hardware, please contact us.